One at a time.
Are you telling us right now that you pre-cut your pancakes like we did when we were like 5?
Yes.
I do too.
Oh, Candace.
I don't understand. That's silly to me. Why
So-
would you?
So you got
So,
Alexa for convenience, but you won't cut your fruit up.
dude,
Yours
can I just say something on camera, man? You far removed from the hood, dog. You got a custom closet and you pre-cut your pancakes.
I didn't grow up in the hood, so I don't know that.
Yes, I can't get on you. But we know how we live. And you pre-cut your pancakes.
I don't understand
just
why you
makes
wouldn't
sense.
pre-cut pancakes.
No, it don't make sense.
This makes sense.
No,
It's
dude.
funny because y'all cut them in
No.
a pie formation.
This makes sense.
Wait, you're cut.
They're in pie formation.
What is the
Yeah, most people I see cut it. Don't cut it like a square. Yeah, like this, like a grid.
Dude, they're in pie. I've never seen this.
I didn't know people.
No, y'all literally just made this up. Y'all literally, I've never.
Is that how you cut the sausage too, Hakeem?
No, I don't cut the sausage.
Why?
Because it's
Convenient.
How do you get that in the square?
It's not
You fit that
square.
one triangle you
It's
know?
a triangle.
That's work right
You
there.
gonna put that whole thing in your
No,
mouth?
that's work. What? No, I missed this. No, I need to start this camera over again. I'm confused. What just happened here? How did?